Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix Facebook dating is not showing up. And this is quite simple to fix, but I also need to tell you some information to get the dating option. So first of all, what you need to know is if you go to Facebook dating requirements, you need to know that you need to be at least 18 years old. Then have a Facebook account in good standing that is at least 30 days old. So a new account, then you are not allowed. And you need to know that live in a country where dating is available. Now here's the complete list with every country where the dating option is available. So I live in the Netherlands, so in my country it's available. Then this is the first solution for having the dating option. Right now we go to Facebook, right here. We click here on menu. When you have the requirements, sometimes the dating option is not standing right here. What you need to do then is click here on the wheel, then scroll down to tab bar and then click on customize the bar. Then right here, if you can see add hidden, here is standing dating, and right now if you click here on pin and we go back, we go back, and we refresh this, dating is just standing here. So this is exactly how you can fix the dating is not showing up. Thanks for watching to this video and have a wonderful day.